guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apollo. He's one of my dogs. This is Apollo. He's a chow mix of lab. He's mostly chow though. And he's 6.5. He turned 6 August 13th of this year. And he loves to be cuddled. He's a big baby. He's just like, he's enjoying the pettings right now. Apollo, 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 look at the camera. Hey, Apollo, Apollo, look at the camera. Hey, here comes my other dog. This is Athens. This one's a male, this one's a female. This one's Apollo, this one's Athens. Athens. This one's tender a little bit. These dogs are basically what helped me through rough times. Oh, he loves to give me hugs. You can see. If you can see, he loves to give me hugs. He loves treats. He loves eating food. Come here. Come here. Lay down. This is Athens. She loves belly rubs. So does this one. And there's a bug on me. I love you. Come here. Athens is a 6-year-old female. We got her when they were, okay. We got Athens when she was 6 years old. 6 years old. When she was 6 weeks old, excuse me. And she was so tiny, about not even that big. They were about that big. Well, the size of my hand. They were tiny, tiny little puppies. This one, and they're outside dogs. They love hunting. They like playing in the creek. They love swimming. Especially this one right here. You like going swimming? You like going for car rides? He loves going for car rides. If you say car ride, he darts. Follow. You want to go for a car ride? Oh. Oh. You may be aware he is growling because that is not an aggression. He is talking. He's not aggressive. He's just expressing his feelings through growls. What up? What up? Yeah, and here comes my brother in a matching t-shirt. What are you doing?